Pensight membership tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a membership website using Pensight. The first thing you want to do is go onto pensight.com. Then from there, you can create an account. So you can tap on my username and you can enter the username that you'd like to get and tap on launch now. After doing that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on products. After selecting products, you're going to tap on create new product, and you can see that you have numerous digital products or services that you can sell using Pensight. But since this tutorial is about membership, we're going to be selecting membership. And by the way, you could also create group sessions if you want, or group programs. So we're going to tap on membership. Then you can add in your membership name. So let's say, for example, I'll just call it test. After doing that, you can upload a cover image right here. So you could tap on click to upload and you could upload a cover image. After adding your cover image, you'll scroll down and then you can set your price. Whether you like to offer it for free, you can select that, or you can set your price right there and change the currency. You can also choose whether you like to offer multiple installments, allowing customers to pay more than one installment, or you can offer a subscription, or you can allow them to set their own price. Once you're finished and adding in that information, you could set up the different payment methods that you would like to offer by tapping on manage. Then scrolling down, you can edit the success message. This is the message that persons will receive once they have completed their purchase. And if it is a case that you would like to collect additional information, you could tap on new form and you could create a form to collect additional information. You can also offer upsells and so on. Once you're finished, you will tap on continue. From here, we're going to edit our landing page. So you have two options. You can either choose to start a landing page from scratch, or you can choose to use a template. I would recommend that you select a template. After selecting the template, you'll be redirected to this page. Excuse me. And you can select the color scheme that you want. So whether you like to use whichever one of these color schemes, you can select it. And you can scroll down and browse how the template looks. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on use this template. Then you can start adding your own personal touches. So let's say we would like to change the image. You can tap on the image that is currently there, tap on it twice, then go over to the right hand menu option and you can tap on change, and from there you can select the image that you would like to add. You can edit the text by tapping on the text that is currently there and typing in whatever you want. And you can scroll down and the steps remain the same. You simply double tap on whichever section you would like to edit, and from there you can edit it. And you can scroll down. If you would like to edit the button, you can tap on the button, then go over to the right hand menu option and you can change the button text as you can see right there. And that's how you'll be able to edit the entire page. And if we wanted to add something extra, you could tap on the plus right there and you can see the different elements that you can add. Whether you like to add a button, image, video, anything at all, you can do that right there. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save, you can see a preview of how it looks right there. And you're going to tap on continue in the top right hand corner. After tapping on continue, from here you could edit the call to action button if you want. And you can also customize the link. Then we'll tap on publish. After selecting publish, it will now be live. So if you would like to preview it, you can simply copy the link. And this is what you'll be sharing with persons. Then you can paste it in a new tab. And you can see how it looks right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.